Today we will discuss about some concept of the KNN, K near neighbor classifier and regression, right? So first, try to understand we have feature one, feature two, and this is output. Let's consider that's something data point, and that's zero and one, that's your output, right? So first, what we'll do, create a data uh, process, right? And this that's we have binary classification, binary classification, right? That's we have binary classification, and try to understand that we output is maybe a, let's consider that the output is a one, and this output is become zero, right? So how we consider that when new data point has come there, so how would you decide to this a neighbor? This called a neighbor, right? And value of k. Okay, okay, understand. First, that's uh, data points come here, right? One data point is come here. How we decide that's neighbor and how many neighbors are there? How we decide? So further, how many neighbors we want? So that's indicate from the value of k, right? That's k value is first we initialize the value of value of k, right? It's belong 1 to k infinite. Its value of k, it's mean that's a neighbor of that particular data point, right? It's mean neighbor of that particular data point that we first initialize. That is maybe anything, right? Okay, try to understand some basic concept first and find the k nearest neighbor test data. Okay, first find the k near. So we let's consider v k is equal to 5, right? First, we decided that k is equal to 5. It's mean that's neighbor. Maybe let's consider this is a first, this one is second, uh, third, fourth, and let's consider this fifth. That we neighbor decided, right? That's we have five neighbors for that particular data point that we had decided here. So first understand we are deciding five key neighbors, right? And what we'll do, uh, how many neighbors, how many neighbors close to that particular data point? It's not correct. Yes, we have decided that the output is a one and this output is a zero. So we are considering that is a neighbor is very close to this one, one, two, and three. It means the data point is the is uh, one is output is three and three neighbors that we have, right? Three neighbors and zero that we have two neighbors, right? So how we decided is how we will decide this neighbor is belong to the one or zero. That's simple. There's a more the neighbor that you will decide. That's simple that you will decide. That's more than neighbor that new data points belong to that particular point, right? That particular point. It's mean that's new point belong to the one, right? That's simple concept of. I hope you understand the k neighbor. Newton simple easiest to this is this is used for a classification model, right? Classification model. And one more thing.